If you wish to find or search for a specific word or phrase on a web page while browsing with your Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Chrome, Opera, or any other browser on your Windows 11 or 10 or 8 or 7 PC, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. This is the Windows Club. Search is a built-in feature of web browsers that you can access anytime. Also, this feature to search or find a word on a web page works for private windows or incognito tabs. Let's get started. How to search words on a page in a browser. To search for a word on a web page in any browser on Windows PC is simple. Launch your web browser, visit a web page, press ctrl+f keyboard combination to bring up the find bar. Type the desired text in it. The desired text will be highlighted on the web page and the focus shifted to it. All instances of the said text will also be highlighted, possibly in a different color. When you have opened the web page in your browser, simply press ctrl+f keyboard combination to bring up the find bar. Microsoft Edge. On Microsoft Edge, you will see the following search bar appear. Once you have typed in your phrase, they will get highlighted on the web page if they are found. Find on page in Microsoft Edge. Another way to open the find bar to search for a word on any web page in Microsoft Edge is using the Find on Page option. Here are the steps. Open a web page in Microsoft Edge. Press ctrl+f keyboard combination or click on the Settings and More icon present in the top right corner. Click on the Find on Page option to open the search bar. Type a keyword in the text box and search results will be highlighted on that web page. Use the previous result and next result icons present in the find bar to jump to the results. Or else, you can also use Ctrl+Shift+G and Ctrl+G hotkeys to jump to previous and next results. Google Chrome. Pressing Ctrl+F in Chrome 2 will bring up the search bar similarly. Find option in Google Chrome. Like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome also provides a find option to search on a web page. Follow these steps. Access a web page in the Chrome browser on your Windows 11 or 10 computer. Click on the Customize and Control Google Chrome icon available in the top right corner. Click on the Find option in the Customize and Control menu to open the find bar or search bar. Opera. Similarly, in Opera, you will see the Find in Page bar. Find in Page in Opera browser. In the Opera browser, you can access the Find in Page option using the following steps. Use a web page in the Opera browser. Click on the Opera icon available in the top left corner or use the Alt+F hotkey to open the Customize and Control menu. Click on the Find option. Change hotkey to open find bar in Opera. This is one of the interesting features of the Opera browser. It lets you change the default hotkey with a custom hotkey to open the find bar or search bar. Here are the steps. Open the Opera browser. Press Alt+P hotkey to open the settings page. Expand the advanced section. Access the shortcuts section. Click on Configure Shortcuts option. Look for Find in Page option. Set a shortcut key combination. You can also set hotkeys for Find Next and Find Previous actions for the find bar. Mozilla Firefox. Firefox offers you the following different ways to search the contents of the current web page for text, words, or links. 1. Click Ctrl+F to open the Find in Page bar. Type the search phrase in it. Firefox will highlight the phrases if they are found. Use the up or down keys to browse the web page for the found phrase. If nothing is found, you will see the phrase not found message. 2. press the slash key to open the quick find bar. You will see the button left side of the browser. This quick find bar is useful for quick references and will automatically disappear after a while. 3. To find phrases that occur in web links, press the single quote key to bring up the quick find bar. Typing text will select the link that contains this text. To highlight the next link, press ctrl+G. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.